Hozir, boryapman. Hozir. Boryapman, hozir. Wait. Hello, assalomu alaykum. Yangi darsga xush kelibsiz. Welcome to a new class, and in this video we will be learning to talk about things happening right now. Tayyormisiz? Boshladik. So, did you notice my bag, my purse? So, for us, in order to be able to say what's happening right now, we'll learn some verbs. I think you have learned them before too, and we have looked at them in the previous videos. But before we start doing that, I would like to talk about this word, hazır, which means right now. Right now, I am walking. Hazır. Hazır, siz nima qilyapsiz? Nima qilyapsiz hazır? What are you doing right now? Hazır, men gapiryapman. I'm speaking. Hazır, men boryapman. Hazır, men yuryapman. I'm walking or I'm going. What about you, sister? What are you doing now? Siz nima qilyapsiz? Huh?
Men ishityapman.
Eshitmoq is to listen. And I'm speaking and you're listening. Men eshityapman. Siz eshityapsiz. Did you notice that it's all yap, yap? This is our topic. You take the verb, you remove moq, you're left with the root of the verb, and then you add yap man, yap san, yap de, yap miz, yap siz, yap de. And a little tip here, just a little, we're learning literate language, literate Uzbek language. But we all know that Tashkent dialect is very popular because of the capital city, because of TV, radio, and everything. So this specific suffix is heard like vaman, not gapiryapman, but gapirvaman. Not eshtyapman, eshtvaman. Okay, this is little hint about Uzbek language if you are learning it in Tashkent. If not, just learn literate version. It will help you in lots of spheres. But knowing dialect is also helpful. Okay, we continue learning literate Uzbek language. And right now, we will look at the verb work. To work, ishlamoq. So, men ishlayapman. I'm working right now. I'm teaching right now. Men sen ishlayapsan. U ishlayapti. Right? And remember, when we used present future tense, we used to say men ishlayman, sen ishlaysan, u ishlaydi, not t. If you haven't watched those videos, please go back and watch those, because in those videos, 3 types of sentences, affirmative, negation, and question, they were all divided into different videos. In this, we put them all together, hoping that you've learned that notion. If you haven't, you need to go back and watch those videos. I insist. So, men ishlayapman, sen ishlayapsan, u ishlayapti. Men kelyapman, sen kelyapsan, u kelyapti. Or biz kelyapmiz, siz kelyapsiz, ular kelyaptilar. For example, Saida. Saida kelyapti. Saida kelyapti. Saida is coming right now. Hazır kelyapti. Okay, so we just looked at one type of sentence, and right now, from now on, the rest of the slides will be about negation and question. Okay, if this does not make sense, please go back and watch present future tense. Watch the whole one video about affirmative sentences. Okay, negation. I am not working right now. Men ishlamayapman. Men hozir ishlamayapman. Men hozir gapirmayapman. Sen ishlamayapsan. U ishlamayapti. Men kelmayapman. Sen kelmayapsan. U kelmayapti. Biz kelmayapmiz. Siz kelmayapsiz. Ular kelmayapti or kelmayaptilar. The difference is that sometimes it's ular kelmayapti can be about them. Sometimes it can be about one person, but when we are talking about this person, we use la reversion just to show respect. Okay, so both versions are true. So for the question, all you have to do is add me, like in the previous tense, right? The present future tense, we just added me in the end. If you know how to say, I am doing it right now, then you will know how to say, am I doing it right now? Are you doing it right now? Men kelyapman, sen kelyapsan, u kelyapti. And in order to make it a question, we need to say kelyaptimi, kelyapsizmi, kelyapmizmi. Okay, deal? Let me know if this is easy, like I'm thinking. I think this is very easy topic, but maybe you need more practice. So, I prepared these sentences for you to translate. I really hope you will translate them into Uzbek and show me your translations in the comments below. And you can make your own sentences using your own list of verbs. This is just 5, right? It may be not enough. I'm sleeping, we're listening, is she listening, are we coming, she's not eating. And if you'd like to send an audio version of your sentences, so I would check the pronunciation, you're more than welcome to do that on this Telegram channel. And I will still wait for your likes, for your comments in this video. So, men hozir boryapman, hozir. Hozir boryapman. Salom alaykum. Boryapman.